Salamat sa inyong pagtambog sa atong 5th Sandugo Tourism and Travel Expo. Ang inyong pagduyog gapakita sa atong pagtinabangay sa atong mahal nga industriya nga unta magpabiling lagsik o malaumon bisan sa hulga sa daghang mga challenges, no? We're all concerned about the reduced tourist arrivals over the past 4 months, mainly due to events beyond our control. The sad situation is happening in most destinations worldwide. But according to many travel experts and travel professionals, Bohol is still better off than a lot of destinations despite this current situation. Bohol is tested as a very resilient destination. We have gone through worse. Naningkamot gihapon taron nga makadani gihapon sa atong mga bisita sa mga umaabot nga buwan. So we continue to be active in travel promotional activities, not only in the country as well as internationally. We have been meeting and collaborating with our industry partners like the DOT, Aboitiz, destination management companies, even with the Philippine Retirement Authority. Gahapon, may meeting. And we could also look forward to new or enhanced destinations. Dunay ongoing efforts ang atong City of Tagbilaran nga makamugna o effective and attractive city tour. Apil na dinhi ang kining Dao Market, which is just a stone's throw away, nga atong himuon nga day and night tourism attraction. Unya, ato pong gipaningkamutan o matabangan ang Rajah Sikatuna Protected Landscape kay mauni sa usa sa mga attractions nga gipangita sa atong mga turista who are going for nature-based attractions kay very varied ang attraction sa Rajah Sikatuna Protected Landscape diya sa Pilar. Naa ang lush forest, naa ang streams, wildlife nga birds, kagwang, naidaghang unggoy, napoy has. There are also caves and a lot of other attractions. They even have a night safari. So we can look forward to the development of these attractions with the help of DOT Region 7. This travel expo that the Bohol Tourism Office has organized is one of the efforts to energize our industry and pull our stakeholders together in working towards the goal of maintaining tourism as a major economic driver of our province. Let us just stay positive and remind ourselves that Bohol holds the distinction as the only UNESCO Global Geopark in the country and is the best destination in the Philippines as declared by the Department of Tourism. We have a well-managed international airport and our attractions remain intact. For these reasons, I am confident that Bohol will rebound as it always does. Ang ako lang hangyo o punta, we will carry on with being in the forefront of sustainable and responsible tourism. After all, this is our identity. This is our trademark. This way, we will be able to protect our main attractions, which are nature and culture. These are treasures that we can pass on to the next generation. Daghang kaayo salamat.